Do you have a full-time job and just can't figure out how to fit college courses in your schedule? Are you frustrated with having to park on campus just for a 1 hour class, sometimes 3 days a week? Well, the American Women's College at Bay Path University might be right for you. We do have an accelerated model with 6 sessions offered per year. Um, you won't have to park on campus because they're offered both online and through our 1 day a week program where you would come in just on Saturdays. This is very exciting for students that need to find childcare or have full-time jobs and need a flexible start date throughout the year. Are you annoyed with your professor's feedback, if you get any? And do you really know why you got a B- on that last assignment? Well, our structure here at the American Women's College includes both faculty and educator coaches, which work just like traditional academic advisors, to support you and show you exactly where you're getting points off and the opposite, where you can improve and things that you're doing spectacular at in your courses. We also have a whole bunch of data that will point you directly at things that you should be working on and will show you what you've been doing very well at. Are you trying to find a university that will give you an individualized experience? At Bay Path University, you're able to log into one of our adaptive courseware platform, Knowledge Path, and you'll have an individualized experience from the start. One of the huge benefits to this is determined knowledge, where you're able to log into your course and take a pretest. And depending on your level of experience, you might be able to skip through some of the assignments that you already are familiar with. This is very valuable for our working students that have been in the field for some time, as they're able to skip over policies and different definitions or sections of the course content that they already work with on an individual basis. And lastly, do you want to make connections with peers outside of the classroom? Well, we have an exciting virtual learning community where students have taken advantage of peer-to-peer interaction and additional support through their courses. Thank you all.